Hi there my lovelies, this is Jana here, welcome to my kitchen. So last week we made this ground beef made out of this ingredient that it's quite common in vegan food and in Asia, tofu. Okay, don't go away. I know. Trust me. Watch this video afterwards and you'll thank me. And today we're going to use this food that we made to make this amazing food that I said food many times, okay, forgive me. We're going to make shepherd's pie. I never made it on a channel, and it's winter, and it's delicious, and it's easy, and kids love it, and it's comforting, and it's a tad rich, which we all need right now. So let me show you how I put it together. So first we're going to start by making the meat, and we're going to saute it with some olive oil, some onions, and garlic if you're using. I'm using garlic powder. Once it's a little bit golden, you're going to add the tofu meat. So mix it around, and we're going to add a little bit Worcestershire sauce, tomato paste, and we're going to add some herbs, dried rosemary and dried thyme. And we are going to add now veggie broth. All right, now it's the point where you're going to add the minced carrots and the green peas. However, I am not going to put it now because I want to blanch them, so the colors will pop more later, but just for the pictures that I need to take for the website and for the thumbnail on YouTube. Otherwise, I would pop in right now and let them cook along with the tofu. That will be the best thing. All right, now we're going to set aside and we're going to make mashed potatoes. Now, easy, right? Mashed potatoes, it's a staple in homemade food, in comfort food. And we're going to make our own, which is quite easy. Just get some potatoes, the starchy kind, and we're going to cook them in water and salt until they are soft. Just remember that the smaller you cut them, the faster they're going to cook. And you're going to check if they're cooked through. If you stick a knife into one of them and the knife slides down easily without presenting any resistance. So that's the sign that they're ready, okay? And we're going to drain the water and mash the potatoes with salt and pepper, some butter. You can also add some ground nutmeg if you want, some vegan milk or vegan cream, and mash it. You can use a potato ricer if you want, then your puree is going to be really silky and lump-free. I prefer to mash it like that because I like the I was gonna say the rusticity. It doesn't exist, this word. I love making a port. I like it a little bit more rustic and with some bits and pieces of a cooked potato because it adds to the, I don't know, to the charm of this dish. All right, so now we're going to assemble the dish, and it's quite easy. Remember to get a smaller plate as opposed to a big one, a large one, because we want the two layers, the ground beef layer and the mashed potatoes, because that's what's going to happen. We're going to put one on top of the other to be thick, to be rich and thick and beautiful, as opposed to one flat thin one. That won't work so much because it's going to get dry. You know, you have more surface in the oven. We're going to put it in the oven, so it will dry out. We don't want that, right? Poppy is snoring right here. She's always around me. Oh, everybody is always around me when I'm filming. I don't know what it is. If I come to the kitchen to do what else? No. But when I'm filming, I think they're the audience. And don't flatten it up, the puree, the potato puree. Why? Because if you make these little picks or pass fork in it, you're gonna create ridges, and this is more surface for it to get crunchy and roasted and beautiful. You know, you're gonna see some brown spots, and it's going to be even more delicious. the texture, the taste. This is to die for, to live for. Hope I was gonna die. Oh, it's so good. So thank you so much for being here with me. It means a lot to me. I hope if you are not subscribed that you do subscribe. Like this video or dislike, it's the same. YouTube understand that it's the same, but I prefer if you do like. If you are already subscribed on my channel, take a second and double check if you are actually, because you know, so, and make it and tag me Instagram and Facebook, and I will see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye bye.